Hi everyone, Mikkel here, owner of Lil Ole Bags and home of the original Lil Ole Sip Masks. I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to adjust your straps. I know we all have our own preference when it comes to wearing a mask with straps that go behind the head like this, behind the neck, and then above the head like this, and then behind the ear like this. So I'm going to show you very quickly when you receive your SIP masks how you can choose whether you want a behind the head fit or a behind the ear fit, because what you're going to be able to control is how your mask sits. I don't want to see this. Well, we don't want to see this. There's so many signs out there on how to wear your masks. We don't want to see chin guards. We want you to be able to wear your masks and drink safely at a distance. Be right back. Okay, so like I said, when you receive your Lil Ole Sip mask, you're going to get about 30 inches of elastic. And secondly, I purposely did not tie the elastic, so you get to choose whether, again, you want a single strap that goes above your head and behind your neck, above your head or behind your neck. I find that most guys like it that way, or you may not like that and you want it behind the ear. So I'm going to show you how you just simply do that. So take your mask out, unknot the knot ties, make sure they're, the elastic is equal distance, and then you're just going to trim the other side. Just trim that, bam, and then pull it in. Do a little knot, do it loosely. I like to do them like this. Test it behind your ear, keep testing it, and let's just say that this is your knot and it fits perfectly. Tighten the knot as tight as you can. See how it gets smaller? And then to make your mask look tidy and clean, pull the knot inside the fold here. Ease it in and pull it until it's no longer visible. Bam. Now you're ready to wear your Lil Ole Sip mask. Enjoy and be safe.